Hello everyone, welcome back to the Genomics Bootcamp. We continue with the series of videos for the most important R commands for genomic analysis, or if you just want to learn some R to flex in front of your friends. Today we will talk about the mutate function, which is to create, modify, and or delete some columns. Of course, the first thing, as always, to call up the help file. Well, I have it already here, but if you don't, you just click on it and press F1, or basically just write mutate into the search box here after you have loaded the tidyverse package, because this mutate is also the part of the tidyverse package. Also, we load Palmer penguins because we will use it for the demonstration. Anyway, so the description of the mutate function, or the help file for it, is quite detailed, I must say. So you can read a lot about it and how to use it in a quite sophisticated way. Also, here I would point out the useful mutate functions. So you can actually combine the mutate function with these to achieve even more grandiose results. Also, there are some very neat examples, so you can check these ones out and also perhaps get some ideas how to use mutate or the mutate function even better. Here I put out just a very small example, and frankly, this is the way how I use it most of the time. So if you know its basic use, you are quite okay already, and of course, then you can move on and improve your knowledge based on the help file or other very useful materials that are online. So what is the purpose of our small example here? So we have the penguins data set, which, we know it consists of, 344 animals, but more importantly, 8 columns. And one of these columns is the body mass in grams. Let's say for some reason we need another column that gives us the weight of each penguin, but in kilograms. So we can use this very easily by using the mutate function. So we start with the penguins dataset and then we use the mutate. And here within the brackets, we have this small expression. On the left side of this equal sign is the new name. So this will be the name of the new column. And then this will be equal to the, in this case, the body mass in grams divided by 1000. After running this, we notice that our new data set has 9 variables. And if we click on it just to check out the contents, we see our new column with the name that we specified and with the new values. Again, here I would mention that when you're using column names within the function, within the mutate function, you do not need to specify it with quotation marks or anything like that, because tidyverse recognizes that, this one is the existing column name and the other one is the new column name that we are trying to give. So you just can write these names like this in a very straightforward way. So thank you very much for your time, and check out also the other videos on the most important R commands.